Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to change your profile banner on Reddit. Maybe you want to personalize your profile and make it more visually appealing or reflective of your interests and personality. So today I'm going to show you how to change profile banner on Reddit. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the Reddit application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the right side, and here, tap on this My Profile option. Now, in this page, tap on this pencil icon at the top right corner. Here, you can now see all of your profile details. Since you wanted to change your profile banner, simply tap on this pencil icon. A menu will pop up below, and here, tap on this Pick Image option. Now here, choose the image that you want to be your new profile banner. For example, I want to use this photo, so simply tap on it. Once you have selected a photo, tap on this Add button. Here, don't forget to tap on the Save button to apply the changes. After that, you now have successfully changed your profile banner on Reddit. Your profile will now have a new look and other users will see your updated banner when they visit your profile. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change your profile banner on Reddit, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change your profile banner on Reddit, leave a comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more videos.